Hello, fix your 404 and 403 error. Hi all, welcome to our channel. Any website you will be create, how you can fix the issues for 404 error and 403 error. So what is different? 403 error nothing but forbidden. The website hosting and everything active, the website will be no data. 404 nothing but the website will be working. Suddenly any virus, any impacted file will be affected. Then immediately we can remove the particular page that will showing will be 404 error. Now how to resolve it? First of all, the website, which website will be showing will be 404 and 404 error. You can go to the C panel. It will go to your file manager, public underscore HTML. In the public underscore HTML, we have facing issue will be complete files will be not found. Based on server, we have to showing will be two type of errors. One will be 404 error and will be 403 forbidden error. So in this hosting, they will show will be 404 file not found. Why? Because the website don't have a content in this particular website. So I'm clicking this update the website. Any file uploading will be using GIF format. After the GIF format reloaded, right click, we have to extract the file. After extract the file, everything, now your website will be showing will be 404. Then in a fraction of seconds, it will be activate your particular website. Then in a fraction of seconds, the website will be activated. Any upload files are here that all will be GIF format. Don't use any kind of one by one byte. Don't upload it. Everything we can use will be GIF format. So follow this condition and make the website will be live purpose. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.